Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Is this not an absolutely gorgeous car? The classic Vette with the coves, white with silver and a red interior, big white walls. Absolutely stunning car. I think it's just fantastic. And you know what that says? Fuel injection. It has a correct fuel injection under the hood. The numbers on the front of the engine match the car. Beautiful condition throughout. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures top to bottom. You'll find price tags on every one of our cars, including monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, that top is down. Let's go for a spin. Underneath the car is just really nice and clean. The car supposedly was restored in the early 2000s, but the frame is nice, no rust issues. The rear rail that I've seen rusted on other cars, it's nice and clean. The fiberglass floors are all nice and clean. And overall, the components are just real good. The front end is nice and clean. It looks like you can just take a wrench and remove any part, so it's not old, rusted on parts. I'm sure it was taken apart when it was restored and done real nice. Bottom of the motor, there's some dents in the oil pan, but it's painted real nice. The motor's clean, the freeze plugs are clean, the fuel pump, the starter all looks clean, and it has the correct canister type oil filter that they would have had in an engine of this time period, and it has the sticker on the side of it. It's a Muncie 4-speed transmission. It's clean. The shift linkage looks real nice. Posi rear end. It has the limited slip tag on the back of it. Nice dual exhaust system. Has the skinny, I think they're called Smithy mufflers. It's like a glass pack muffler, and it comes out through the back bumper. Sounds nice. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. These were drum brakes. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. So just very, very respectable and clean under the car. It may have been frame off, I was told that. So very nice. Now the body. The actual fiberglass. Straight, nice, fits nice, no issues. The hood fits real nice, flush, lines up real good. I don't see damage. A lot of times they're damaged around here because the tires come off or they hit. This is all real nice. I don't see any issue with the body. Fits real nice. All this lines up as good as can be expected. Corvettes were known to not have precision fit back then. There's a little bit of a gap here, but I'm going to say that's probably the way it left the factory. I don't see any damage. Fiberglass all looks real nice. The white paint is beautiful. It's shiny, smooth. The chrome is sparkling. The emblem, tail lights, all this is just sparkling, looks beautiful. The latches are real nice. All this trim around here is all polished out, shiny and nice. Side moldings, oh, I see we got an owie right here. This piece of trim is bent right there in the end. Let's see if that's available. But the rest of it's all pristine and gorgeous. Cross flags, fuel injection. The windshield has been replaced. It's crystal clear. The rubber is soft. Hubcaps are real shiny. This part's stainless. The spinners are chrome. I'm going to say they're 8 or 9 out of 10. The rim is painted white. Bright white tires on there. Now the white walls. Actually, I still have the nubs on the tread. Maybe that's why they're so bright. They're probably new. It has all the chrome. It has T3 headlights, reproduction headlights. Got the teeth and the grill, license plate frame, all that looks new, looks beautiful. The moldings up on top are real nice. This is your air conditioning. There's a lever under the dash. You crank it and it opens up and lets the fresh air in. So yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous car. I don't need to keep repeating it. You see that for yourself. why don't we open it up and check out the inside. We got a few surprises here in the trunk. Looks like a reproduction owner's manual, miscellaneous parts in the box there, a license plate, fuel injection manual. This is this panel right here. The reason they saved it, this car was in Puerto Rico through the 80s into the 90s, and this is from Puerto Rican car shows that it was at, so a little bit of history. Overall, very nice. Got, the rubber mat has a couple cracks in it. I can see it does have a tire where the spare goes. Underneath the lid's painted, has nice weather strip. So overall, very nice trunk compartment. The door jambs are good. The weather strips are good. Door panel's real nice. I love the red with the waffle print. I don't know if that's stainless trim, but cool looking door panel, really. You could hang that on a wall. Overall, very good condition. The dash pad is nice. Got a little crack over here on this end. But the grab bar, everything looks good. The instruments all look good. There's a 6500 redline tack for the fuelie. There are some chipped up paint here, the original paint. Steering wheel's in nice shape. Down on the floor, you got the red and black speckled carpet and floor mats. It's been replaced. Seats have been reupholstered. It does have the original wonderbar radio. Has the reverse lockout shifter. The interior light works. Convertible top, there's pictures of it on our website. It looks like the weather strips are replaced. It's a white convertible top in real nice shape. Okay, so it's a 283, 290 horsepower. This was the bad dog, big dog of 1960. This is a correct Rochester fuel injection unit. All the components, the best I can tell, looking up different numbers in that, it is correct, and it seems to be functioning really well. The car started right up and drove real nicely. Has the ignition shielding, has all the fuelie air cleaner assembly, the Corvette valve covers, manifolds, generator. Everything just looks nice and proper. Clutch fan looks good. Yeah, it's another favorite of mine. I sometimes say if I could keep 5 cars, I don't know what 5 I'd keep. This is one of them for sure. The Tornado I just videoed is a cool car. I'd keep that one. But stunning colors. The silver, the white, and the red. Unbelievable. I'd take this, a red with the white coves. You see them all the time. This, amazing. So go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car. Talk to the salesman, ask them your questions or concerns. They'll help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance this car. One more thing I forgot to mention, this is one of the last Corvettes built in 1960. The build date was August 30th, 1960. So it's definitely one of the last days they were making these cars, for whatever that's worth. Go to Volo Cars if you're interested. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.